Hello friends, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we have to discuss how to trace wall in imported CAD file in Revit. Okay. So how we have to trace the wall in imported file that we have to see. So come first I will show you the 3D also. You can see the file which you have imported. Here it is there. Okay. Now you want to trace the wall and everything. Come here in ground floor first. If you have to check the thickness of wall, okay, as per that only. So to check the thickness, use the di. From this point to this point it is showing 229 millimeter na? See, the wall is 229 millimeter thickness. Okay, so if you want to create the wall here, if you want to trace the wall, so hit on wall. Okay, from here you can select any like generic 8-inch wall. Edit type, first try to duplicate and give the thickness wall of 229 millimeter. Okay, hit on ok. Now from structure hit on edit. Now see the thickness is showing to 103.2. I want 229. Okay, just write down okay, again hit on ok. Now you can draw the wall. So see the wall which you are drawing, the height of that wall unconnected, or up to where you want to draw the wall. Up to first floor we want that wall. We are tracing that wall from ground floor and up to first floor I want to draw. So from here select the first floor. Okay, from here you can select finish face, exterior, interior, as per your requirement. Now select it and draw it. See the wall which we have created. Like this you have to trace the wall. Trace it. Now up to here I want to draw it. Now press the escape key and come. First I am trying to draw the external wall. See, when I am starting to draw here, so it is wall is creating from outside. If you want inside, press the space bar. Now see the wall you will get inside. Again press the space bar, and then trace the wall like this. Okay, getting. So now here you can see, from here just to draw it and like this. So in this way we have to trace the wall. Okay, if you want to see, because this interior wall is of different thickness, if you want to see this in 3D, see the wall which we have traces. From VCB hit on fine and shade it. Okay, so first of all we have traced the exterior wall of ground floor. Now come here in interior. So first check the thickness. So use the di command. From this point to this point, how much thickness? 99 mm. Okay, so now we have to duplicate one more wall of 99 millimeter thickness. So hit on wall. From here you can select any of the wall like generic 8-inch. Hit on edit type, first duplicate and write down the name wall of 99 thickness, 99 mm thickness. Okay, so hit on edit and from here also you can change it as a 99. Okay, okay. Now just draw the wall like this, and remember height always select up to first floor. I want to draw, so select the first floor. Now trace the wall like this. Trace it up to full, because here we have to place the door. That all I will explain you how to place the door. Door is a hosted family, so it is dependent on work plane. So when you trace the, you will get. See, here we have I have drawn that wall here also. Press the space bar to change the direction of that wall. Okay, here also we have to draw, so just draw it up to here and here also. See, like this automatically. Now here also we have wall. Try to draw the wall, and here I have drawn. See, now I think this wall is the wall. Yeah, okay, here also press this space bar to change the direction. Okay, so we have drawn the wall, but here this wall thickness is different. If you want to see na, use the di and see it. It is of 75 mm. Okay, so again duplicate and draw one more, create one more wall. So from the list select the generic 8-inch or 12-inch, whatever. Hit on edit type, duplicate, write down wall of 75 mm. Okay, hit on from here also you have to change it as a 75. Okay, okay. Now create one more wall like this. up to here, and then one more wall. Now it is clear. You can see this thing, the wall which we have traced is for ground floor. In this way you have to trace the wall. Okay, so this is for ground floor. Same way. Now okay, everything we have done. Now come to first floor. So open the first floor plan. Here also we have to trace the wall. So first try to check the dimension, thickness of that wall. So it is same 229 mm, means exterior wall thickness is 229. So already we have created one wall of 229 mm. You can see it is written. Hit on that wall and just try to trace the wall like this. But remember, our first floor plan is up to here only. Okay, this is a terrace floor, so just here we have to draw the boundary wall. So up to here only, just trace the wall. Again, just from here, change the direction by using the command. Now draw the wall like this. Okay, trace it. After that, see here also we have wall, so just draw that wall. One minute, huh? From here I am trying to trace the wall like this up to here. Okay, then here also we have one wall like this. Getting? So you can see in 3D we have traces the wall of first floor, but only the exterior wall. Same way I want to trace this area. I have not, because here we have to draw the boundary. Okay, because this is our terrace now. So that I will show you how to draw the boundary. First come and trace the interior. So see, for boundary what I am doing, I am selecting the same because the thickness is same. So wall of 229. Now suppose the boundary wall which I am creating here, I want the height of that wall 1.2 meter, means 1500. So from here just you have to select unconnected and give the height what you want, 1500 mm, just give it. Now trace the wall. This is all our boundary wall, so as per that you have to draw it like this up to here. Now here some column that I will show you how to draw it. So okay, we have drawn the boundary wall also. You can see in 3D. See, here I have leave it because here we have to place the railing and column. So how to place the column and everything, that I will show you how to place the chhajja. So only here I am showing you how to trace the wall, how you can trace the wall in imported file. Now come trace the interior. So first try to check the, okay, 90, already we have created 99 mm thickness wall. So when you come here, hit on wall, see 99 mm, select it from here and just select the point, exact point from here. So okay, the point is not selected. 1 minute. Okay, so I am just trace it. Now same, select that wall and draw it up to here. Okay, now again select the wall, same wall we have to create. So just create it up to, like this. One wall we need here also up to this point. Okay, so we have created now any other wall, this OTS. So I think the thickness of this OTS wall is of different, but first draw the 99 mm thickness wall. Okay, so here I have drawn it, you can see. So you can just match it automatically. Revit will take it like this. Now check the thickness of this OTS cutout wall, 75. So already we have created. Okay, when you hit on this wall, see in PP 75 mm thickness wall already we have. Select it and you can just draw it from here. To change the direction, you have to press the space bar, you know that, and just, but see here the thickness is different. I think it is showing 99. Okay, so architecture tab wall Now select the 99, where it is 99 mm. Okay, select it and draw one wall of 99. Okay, so here I have created the wall, you can see in 3D view. So in this way we have to trace the wall. Acha, one more thing, see here we have done the wrong this wall we have created, the height of this wall we have taken what, 1500 only. If you remember, I have selected unconnected, but this interior wall I want up to roof floor na. So here you have to come and select each and every wall from here with the help of which you have created here. Select each and every wall with the help of control key, all interior wall. I want to connect this all wall up to where, you know that. So but here there is no option, so okay, delete it from here, that I will show you how to do it. See here, if you remember, I have created the boundary wall, and the height of this boundary wall we have taken 1500 mm. Same here also, hit on wall and from here select the 99 mm, and remember in height in option bar, now you have to hit on up to where you want this wall, up to roof floor na, because we are starting from first floor. I want to draw the wall up to roof floor, select the roof floor. Now trace the wall like this. Okay, here also just trace it, and here also we have to trace the wall up to here. Okay, now when you come here, just trace it like this for toilet area. How to place that all I will explain you. I want to draw same wall, so create similar option is also given, you can use that option also. Okay, and trace the wall. Same way for here also we have, and now 75 mm thickness, so select the wall. From here you can use 75, and here see the height up to roof floor I want. Okay, remember this thing, trace it like this. Okay, now see in 3D, here we have traced the wall and everything. Getting, this is our boundary wall which we have created up to 1500 mm only. Okay, so in this way we have to trace the wall in imported file. I hope all of you enjoy the session. See you in next one.